People often ask, do I need to be home on the day of service? You do not need to be home. In fact, most people are not. Your only responsibilities are to shut and lock all windows and doors, to put up all pets, to move all vehicles away from the house, and to turn off all exterior lights. And last, move all items such as pillows, furniture, rugs, potted plants, wind chimes, garden nodes, etc. away from the areas being cleaned. But wait, if you booked a deluxe or premium package, this step will be taken care of for you. Thank you and have a great day.